because it allows for engagement, because it allows for iteration. I think that model of fixed content going out through broadcast, that has changed, and the acceptance of it clearly is manifest in the fact that when people like it, they touch it, they share it. So only if you care will you share, and I think this is now a metric that is on every marketer's, at least every right-thinking marketer's top of the mind right hand quadrant, which is, if I'm doing right things, people should be sharing it, and they should be commenting on it, they should be spoofing it, they should be twisting it, they should interpret it in myriad ways, sometimes going beyond what the brand owner originally imagined it to be. So I think there is a clear and present trend that there is a large enough constituency and they're having fun on social media. Now, by definition, it doesn't mean that you take traditional media behaviors and try and force fit them into the social media domain. So, I think the relationship between a brand and the audience is now slowly emerging in the direction that we have relationships on a human platform. So, when I meet somebody at work or when I make friends with them in the community that I live in, I think this guy tells me something interesting. This guy gives me some value.
Yeah.
I get enriched when I interact with them, or it's good for me, my career, my lifestyle. And I think these are the ways in which people will start interacting with brands, rather than saying, it's 9 o'clock, I must sit and watch advertising. So I think, and that's a very, it's not something we should approach with any loss of confidence. I think it's something we should encourage and ride. Look, marketers have only three options. Either you fall behind where your consumer is going,
Yeah.
or at least you manage to match and align and march in step with them, or ideally, if you know a revolution is happening, better to make it than to suffer it. So you march one step ahead of the consumer, and I think that's the thing to juice out to the maximum.